Sun's coming up over the ridge, clear blue sunny skies ahead. A warm breeze blows through my window pane. Meadowlark starts singing its song. I can smell the morning coffee's on. Rooster calls me to start another day. Waking my feet hit the floor, stumble over to that old screen door, swing it open and catch the ghosts at play. Thank God and say a little prayer over this life that we're building here. I wouldn't have it any other way. Where the magnolia blooms and the creek still flows, where the honeysuckle vine on the barbed wire grows, where the fence lines run and the cattle lay, while the cottonwood floats on a field of hay. Where you drip dry in the summer heat by the swimming hole, where the two creeks meet. This is where I do life, where it's good each day. Forever on this land, every day I'll stay. Head out toward the old red barn, drive the tractor through the old barnyard. Head out for the first cut of hay. Past the horses in the field, I can hear a mockingbird